My name is Freya and I'm 27. I'm very excited about how the human body is built up, but even more about how we can figure out how it is built up. So with medical imaging, how we are able to look inside the body without actually opening up the body, I think is amazing what we're able to do.
My name is Oliver. I'm 27. I chose the study line since I've always had a fascination for healthcare. I also have a combined fascination for technology, and this study line really allows me to combine those things.
A unique aspect of our education here is that it's not just an engineering education. We also have a focus on the medical aspects. 30% of the education is actually given by the University of Copenhagen, by the medical faculty there. And we have a strong collaboration with the hospitals so that we get the hospital focus into the education.
Today we rely so much on technology in healthcare and also data, healthcare data. And you need candidates who are experts in that. Our candidates are able to kind of build bridge between the technical and the healthcare context.
I think the thing I enjoy the most is the dynamic aspect of it. One day you can be very focused on something very technical, and the next day you have the whole world around you in the aspect of if it's healthcare or if it's some kind of anatomic study or disease study. It can really be a lot of things. So one of the things I enjoy a lot is that from day to day it can be very different.
I enjoy having the theoretical knowledge, but then also applying it in real life. And we get to do that a lot here. We have great labs and our teachers are great. So it's just, I enjoy it very much.
Our students, they may, for example, develop monitoring equipment for patients. They may work with scanners or measuring blood pressure, doing devices for measuring vital signs of the patients.
They will be able to support clinicians and healthcare professionals, and it's very important because today we rely so much on technology in healthcare.
I think it's going pretty well. I've always been very happy about studying at DTU in general. I think it's a great academic environment and also the social aspects are great.
I think the social life on both study lines are generally excellent. I really enjoy both of them.